In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Google Gemini API key. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit the Google AI website. This is where everything begins. If you're not familiar with the Google AI webpage, it's a hub for developers and researchers alike, providing cutting-edge tools and resources from Google. Once you're there, you'll need to ensure you are logged into your Google account. This is an essential step because your API key will be linked directly to your account. If you're not logged in, take a moment to do so. It only takes a second, and you're back to where we need to be. Now, scan the page for the Get API Key button. You'll find it tucked away at the bottom left corner of the page. It might be easy to miss, but don't worry, it's there. Once you've located and clicked on it, you should be prompted to take the next step. The following step involves selecting Create API Key. This is where you actually begin the creation process. The interface Google provides is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're new to this, you should find it pretty intuitive. Once you click to create an API key, you'll be asked to name your key. This is an important part of the process, as it helps you identify your key later on, especially if you end up creating multiple keys for different projects. Try to choose a name that is specific and meaningful to you and the project you're working on. Once you've given your new API key a name, you can proceed by clicking Create Key. This is the final step in the creation phase. After you click, Google takes care of the rest, and within moments, your new API key will be ready. Now the last thing, once the key has been generated, you'll need to copy it. This is crucial because an API key is your golden ticket, granting access to Google's services within your application. Make sure to store it somewhere safe. You wouldn't want to lose it. You can consider using a password manager or a secure notes app to keep it handy and secure. And that's it. You've successfully generated a Google Gemini API key. This key now holds the potential for you to unlock and explore so many possibilities within Google's suite of artificial intelligence tools. Whether you're harnessing the power of machine learning models or tapping into Google's extensive data capabilities, you've now got the gateway open. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to check out the rest of our content for more tech tutorials and insights. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.